In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your wall into a more elegant and modern looking. This is our bathroom wall and I don't want to give any colors to the wall. Instead, I want to bring some patterns to the wall. So first, the entire bathroom I painted with alabaster white. I got it from Lowe's. Then for the pattern, I decided to go with the lines. I got the stickers from the Amazon and it includes a template and also 300 stickers. This is enough to cover the entire bathroom of a smaller size. You need to use the templates in order to mark the exact spacing between each lines. So in the template, if you see along the lines, there are holes on each edge of the line. Place the template in the wall and using a pencil, you can mark the wall as a guide for placing the decals. You need to do some math based on your width of your wall. Depending on the width, you might need to adjust the spacing between each template for the uniform alignment. Now place the template in the wall and using a pencil, just do a small mark along the edges of each line. The initial pattern is time consuming, but once after you figure out the initial pattern, it is very easy to follow on. Always start from the ceiling so that you will have the equal flow of spacing between each lines. So once after you have marked with the pencil, now it is very easy. So just follow the dotted marks and you can start placing the stickers. Overall, the output of the wall is really amazing. These decals are made of high quality vinyl material and these are wall friendly and waterproof, and the company says that they are durable and they last for 5 years. Let's see. I got this one for around $10 in Amazon and it had like 5 sheets. So out of the 5 sheets after my project, I have 2 complete sheets remaining, and this is the 3rd sheet, that 3/4 of the sheet I have already used. You can see it closer. Each decals are made of vinyl and it is a matte finish. If you're looking some options other than painting the wall, I would highly recommend this. I will attach the product link in the description, and there are like so many other different varieties of patterns of stickers are also available in the website, and you can check it out. And again, if you like this video, hit the like button in the bottom, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in another interesting video.